SiMX is a Princeton-based software company with over 30 years of innovation in data automation. We've helped businesses streamline operations, eliminate errors, and get more from their data. TextConverter is the result, a powerful, intelligent platform that makes data extraction from any source faster, easier, and more reliable than ever. So what does this mean for you? Let's take a look at the key benefits our clients experience every day. No more manual entry, TextConverter automates it all. Extract data from any file, format, or source. Get up and running 10 times faster with rapid setup. Easy for business users. Powerful for developers. Unify messy data into one clean, structured stream. Built-in validation keeps your data accurate and compliant. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features that make these benefits possible. Input data can be pulled from anywhere, local and remote files, emails and attachments, cloud storage, web portals, and APIs. The incoming data can be in any format: PDF, Excel, HTML, images, and more. Financial reports, invoices, bills, POs, certificates, tax forms, TextConverter handles them all. Once extracted, cleansed, and transformed, your data can be exported to CSV or Excel, or loaded directly into any database, ERP system, or data lake. Now, let's see TextConverter in action, starting with multi-level templates for extracting complex hierarchical data. This report contains multiple layers of data, transaction details, summaries, and metadata. TextConverter allows you to define multiple detail and top-level templates, typically one template per level of data. As you define your extraction rules, TextConverter gives you instant visual feedback, showing exactly where each data field comes from. With TextConverter's visual setup, your data extraction project is up and running in minutes, not hours or days. You can create positional and multi-line fields with a single click. Use multi-line templates, which let you capture data spread over several lines. Use tag-based fields to extract field values relative to nearby labels, rather than fixed positions. This method works perfectly for documents with flexible layouts, where fields may shift or vary from one file to the next. You can combine positional and tag-based extraction within the same template. When labels are missing or inconsistent, offset fields anchored to known positional markers can capture the data reliably. And when there are no labels or anchors at all, self-tagged fields give you the flexibility to extract exactly what you need. Use multiple detail templates to extract optional detail sections within a document. Vertical ranges let you control which sections of the document are visible to your template. And with powerful include and exclude filters, at both the field and template level, you stay in full control of what gets extracted and what doesn't. Batch processing lets you convert multiple files in a single run, saving time and streamlining your workflow. TextConverter gives you the flexibility to handle any document structure without writing a single line of code. But when needed, advanced users can go further with calculated fields, custom scripting, and a powerful library of pre-built extraction functions. This means you can implement data capture, cleansing, and transformation workflows of virtually any complexity, all in one TextConverter project. With TextConverter, you can finally take control of your data, no matter the source, format, or complexity. From automation to accuracy, scalability to simplicity, it's all built in. Ready to transform your data workflows? Reach out to us today to schedule a personalized demo or get your questions answered. We're here to help.